What is the opposite of hot?
The opposite of hot is cold.
What is the opposite of happy?
The opposite of happy is sad.
What do you call the meal you eat in the morning?
The meal that I eat in the morning is called breakfast.
What is the plural of child?
The plural of child is children.
Which word is a verb?
Run is a verb.
Which sentence is in past tense?
I ate is in the past tense.
How do you greet someone in the morning?
I say good morning.
What do you say when you receive a gift?
When I receive a gift, I say thank you.
What do you say when you make a mistake?
I say sorry when I make a mistake.
What do you use to write on a paper?
I use a pen to write on a paper.
What do you wear on your feet?
I wear shoes in my feet.
What do you use to tell the time?
I use watch to tell the time.
What do you use to drink water?
I use glass to drink water.
What do you use to cut paper?
I use scissors to cut paper.
What animal says, meow?
Cat says, meow.
What animal is known for its long neck?
Giraffe is known for its long neck.
What animal lives in the ocean and has fins?
Fish lives in the ocean and has fins.
What animal is known for hopping?
Kangaroo is known for hopping.
What animal's barks?
The animal which barks is dog.
Where do you go to buy food?
I go to supermarket to buy food.
Where do you go to see a doctor?
I go to hospital to see a doctor.
What do you call your mother's sister?
The mother's sister is called aunt.
What do you call your father's brother?
I call uncle to my father's brother.
What do you call your brother's son?
I call nephew to my brother's son.
What do you call your motor and fodder together?
I call them parents.
What do you wear when it's cold?
I wear a jacket when it's cold.
What do you use to protect yourself from rain?
I use umbrella to protect myself from rain.
What do you use to travel by air?
I use airplane to travel by air.
What do you use to travel on water?
I use boat travel on water.
What do you wear on your head?
I wear hat on my head.
What do you wear on your feet in summer?
I wear sandals on my feet in summer.
What do you use to see?
I use eyes to see.
What do you use to hear?
I use ears to listen.
What do you use to smell?
I use nose to smell.
What shape is a ball?
The shape of a ball is circle.
What shape has 3 sides?
Triangle has 3 sides.
What shape has 4 equal sides?
Square has 4 equal sides.
What shape is a pizza?
The shape of the pizza is circle.
Who teaches students?
Teacher teaches students.
Who treats sick people?
Doctor treats sick people.
Who builds houses?
Engineer builds houses.
Who flies airplanes?
Pilot flies airplanes.
What do you call moving to music?
I call it dance.
What is the opposite of left?
The opposite of left is right.
What is the opposite of up?
The opposite of up is down.
What is the opposite of forward?
The opposite of forward is backward.
What is the opposite of north?
The opposite of north is south.
What is the opposite of east?
The opposite of east is west.
What do you feel when you win a game?
I feel happy when I win the game.
How do you feel when you are very tired?
I feel sleepy when I am very tired.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more informative videos.